What's up, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing week, guys. As we reach the end of this week, guys, we've had a pretty interesting market in the crypto space, but it looks promising, right? So Bitcoin is actually breaking out of these crazy levels, but we're here to talk about Jasmy, guys. Do not F this up, guys. This is possibly your last chance to get into Jasmy and to even get into any cryptocurrency project at a reasonable price right now before we get into these God candle bull runs that are basically coming our way. So you need to be prepared for that, guys. Now, what is going on with Jasmy as I look at my notes? Sorry, because you know, that's what I do. I try to prepare everything the best way I possibly can, but I couldn't read it that way, so I'm reading my notes easier now. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. So you know, what should we do to prepare for Jasmy coming into this next stage? If you're a Jasmy investor, basically you need to know what moves to make coming up before this bull run starts to get in effect, right? So is Jasmy gonna go lower? We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the charts. We're gonna look at that, break that down, and see, can Jasmy potentially go lower? Is there gonna be another buying opportunity at 0.015? That is probably the best entry that you could possibly get in. But if you hadn't invested back in the 0.003 era for Jasmy, you'll never see that again. And mark my words, save this video, attach it to something, you'll never see that 0.003 price again for Jasmy, because that 0.02 level, it's pretty thick, and I don't think that Jasmy is going to ever allow its project to go that low again, guys. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about if Jasmy is actually has a potential to go back to that 0.015 level where you could hop in at a huge discount. All right, guys, before we jump into this beautiful video for you, I just wanted to touch on two things, guys. If you guys are looking to play crypto casino in the privacy of your own home, guys, check out the link to this, Crypto Slots. Pretty cool, fun games. If you guys are into using crypto to be able to gamble responsibly, make sure you check out the link in the description. I have 3 platforms that you could check out. They help this channel. They help keep me rocking and rolling for you guys. So check them out. It's very easy. Literally all you do is just go, and you could actually take from Coinbase or crypto.com and buy a little bit of BNB or Ethereum or anything like that, transfer it into your Crypto Slots account, and then it's as easy as playing whatever games you like, guys. These games do pay out. I have won from these games, but I have lost. So gamble responsibly, but it is really fun when you can transfer all your winnings very easily back into your Coinbase or your crypto.com account, or if you have a wallet that you wanted to attach to it. It's very safe, and that's why I'm promoting it, or else I wouldn't even be talking about it. So guys, check it out. The link is in the description below. There's 3 links. I recommend Crypto Slots, but there's 2 other ones that you could play casino games. You could play roulette. So check them out, guys, and if you guys are interested, just sign up. All right, so follow me on X, guys. I'm posting everything about Jasmy on X, guys, and also I'm going to be unveiling my favorite meme coin, Turbo. Then we're going to be talking about Swift Coin and some other coins, but make sure you guys are ready for this bull run, guys. So let's get into Jasmy before you know, I lose track and lose focus. Guys, so here's a chart that I've been putting out, like, again, for Jasmy. So I'm still looking at this 5-cent range to be our next move up for Jasmy. Is if we look into the charts, basically we had this head and shoulders that played out pretty good, but we need to stay with that upward trend and revisit that upward momentum. But drawing this out, guys, you see that we really completed the Elliott wave of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if we kind of draw this out, I'll just kind of, I don't know if you guys are able to see the cross on here, but basically, let me see if I could just draw this out. and this is where you'll get your correction. This is your A, B. Now the reason what I've been saying is that, are we going to be able to hit that last chance opportunity? There's two ways to look at it, right? But if you look at it, I mean, this may have been the low for Jasmy, so we may not be able to revisit this area again, because when we look at it, like I said, there's your A, B, and then that may be our minor C correction for Jasmy. So it's important to keep an understanding that, you know, this level right here may be that entry point, guys, to, you know, get into Jasmy and have the best buying opportunity. Because once we get out of this area, you know, once we get out of, you know, this area right here, and confirming that this is the low across the board, right? So we do have, you know, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and finally, you know, another rejection point. What does that mean ultimately for Jasmy? It means that we could potentially just continue going up from this level right here, because what Jasmy is doing is exactly what Bitcoin is doing. When we look at the Bitcoin chart, you know, we're actually identifying that 50, I believe it's a 55,000, 55,000 as being the low for Bitcoin. Now we did come down here to that 47 and tap off, but it was real quick, right? And we look like we're getting a you know, reversal candle that's brewing up for Bitcoin. So if we see Bitcoin go up to, you know, the 64,000 level right here, 65,000 level, we can expect Bitcoin to continuously go up into creating a new all-time high. Now, what does that mean for Jasmy? It means that Jasmy will indeed follow this path that I've created about a few weeks ago, and we will start plowing our way. So basically what I can expect it to look like is coming up, you know, something like this, you know, revisiting this zone down here and continuously climbing up till we get into this 0.05 level. Now this could be a, you know, a skyrocket up to visit that 4, maybe correct back down to this level and then up into that. I don't know how that's going to play out. We can't predict that. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to tell you that either you have an opportunity to get into Jasmy right here at this 2-cent level and then forget about it, because after that you're going to be trying to buy at 5 cents or, you know, a level that's above that 5-cent area. Or you could roll the dice and try to get in if we do get a correction back down to the 0.015. So there's just basically what I'm doing is giving you 2 opportunities to get in to Jasmy. The biggest challenge, guys, is that I do not know what is going to happen or how it's going to play out, but I wish I could. But honestly, the way that I'm looking at it, I do see us continuously going up. Now it all depends on what Bitcoin does. So watching Bitcoin very relentlessly is going to give you you know, that signal to know which way Jasmy is going to go. So if we see Bitcoin take a little correction down or start moving in the downward area, then we know that potentially we could see that 0.015. Great entry point. You could buy 1 million Jasmy tokens at that 1 cent, 0.0175 if you have money like that. I don't know, but you could do $500, whatever the case may be. We know that eventually we're going to continuously go up, and because we're obviously going into a bull run with all the everything's pointing to that we're in this bull run, right? So understanding where you potentially could get into Jasmy is what I'm really trying to push in this video. Now what's great about it is that we do have some other information that's going to help us make that decision to invest forward. So make sure you continue watching the videos, because we're going to be putting them out and we're going to be watching Jasmy all the way to $1, guys. So we're trying to complete this cup and handle before we get out of this 2024 year, and then really get exciting into that 2025, you know, prime bull run. Now guys, there's so much that's going on with the world, the economies, and not only the economy in the United States, it's economies in Japan and other countries. It's just getting wild out there where the dollar value is just not really doing what it needs to be doing. So cryptocurrency is an alternative to that, because there's a lot of value in Bitcoin, which is great and is good for us as crypto investors who believed in it and understood where it could potentially go in the future, guys. So Jasmy is really turning up gears, guys. They have Junction coming out, and Junction is really getting us into that area of DePIN, and it's putting us in the AI sector for cryptocurrency. Now, guys, you know, this is pure speculation on my view, but Japan dubbed Bitcoin of Japan on their website. So Jasmy basically put Bitcoin of Japan on their website, and it's really starting to take place and resonate with me that there is an agenda behind them putting that down on their website. Now, Bitcoin of Japan is a very, very confident expression to put out there, especially for a cryptocurrency project. Now, with Jasmy following the whole sentiment of Bitcoin right now, it's really, I think that's just what do you call it, I would say that's more of a coincidence, right? So who knows, guys, if Jasmy comes out with a cross-border payment system, it's over. Jasmy is going to be one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies, guys. So keep believing in Jasmy, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Check it out if you do have a little bit of downtime and you want to play some casino games, and don't just take like 50 bucks, 40 bucks. I don't know your situation, but play the games. They're from 40 cents to like a few dollars. There's high limit in there. I don't know for all you big ballers, but check it out, guys. Crypto Slots link is in the description. There's 3 other platforms on there. Check them out, guys. Help me out, family. Love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one, because all of us Jasmy believers are going to make them millions and millions of dollars. Let's go. Let's get it. Just believe. Take care. Be blessed.